We have a few issues on this saw. It's a 1965 Homelite XL-500. That piston looks to be toast. I have another piston and another cylinder, so that's not too bad, but the inside of that cylinder doesn't look too bad. We'll see. One of the other issues is somebody soldered the end of the fuel line, and it looks like they probably drilled another hole and glued another fuel line. So either I'm going to replace this whole piece or fill that hole and get a new line, putting this back. Another issue was this pulley here. This is off of either a 900 series or later model. Someone's done a lot of work to keep this running, but rather than get the right piece, they used this piece with the nylon. This would have been metal on the original one. So I'm going to buy a new pulley that'll come. This will be part of it, and a new starter cup. We had the issue with the Nova 2 chip, so we've got to address an issue with points or coil or something on this. So that's another issue. But the other last issue is here on the muffler. There should have been a heat shield between here, the muffler, and this. I found one for a XL-400 that may work, but I may have to cut it down a little bit. It needs to have either a heat shield or some type of a spacer in here, because it doesn't have it. I've got everything else pretty well torn down, but it'll be the cleaning process next, and getting gaskets and missing parts.